Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can connect your WordPress to your XAMPP localhost. So first you want to go to XAMPP and then you want to download this one. So after you've downloaded, you can just click this to install, click yes again, click OK, next, and wait for the installment to complete. Okay, so your installment is finished. You can just check this and click finish. Now what you want to do is go to your Chrome again. Go to this WordPress download and download the WordPress here if you haven't already. So after you've downloaded it, it should show you a folder like this, and then you want to copy this folder and move it into your C drive where your XAMPP is located. For me, it's in the C drive. Click on the XAMPP, click on the htdocs now, and then paste your WordPress in here. Okay, now you can rename this into, let's say, project. Okay, and then you can go to your XAMPP control panel now, click start on this one. Alright, and click start on the MySQL. There you go. Now you can go to your Google Chrome, go to a new tab and type in localhost/phpMyAdmin. Now you're here, you can go to new, create a database name, which is project. Let's call it project. Click create. Alright, now you're here, go to privileges, click add user account. You can call this username whatever you want, or I'm just gonna call it admin actually. And the password, I'm gonna make my password, retype my password. Alright, and you go down and click this check all here, and then click go. Okay, alright, so now you can go to a new tab again, type in localhost/project. Okay, click enter. Okay, now you're here. If this shows, you can just click WordPress here and it will redirect you to WordPress. You can choose your language, hit continue, click let's go, and then the database name is the project, the username is admin, and the password is the password that you made before, and let's click submit. Okay, run the installation. Alright, the site name you can call it how to do. For me, how to do things, I guess. And then the username, I'm gonna call it admin still, and the password, I'm gonna make a new password. Okay, let's call it QWERTY for now. Confirm use of weak password, and then for the email, I'm gonna use whatever email, and install. Okay, login. Type in your username now. Alright, and then password, login, and there you go. And now you know how to connect your WordPress into your XAMPP localhost. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.